Alrighty, so this video here is going to be a full explanation slash overview on every little thing that is within GoMining's MinerWars home screen here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read it like a book. We're going to go from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. The first thing you see in the top corner is going to be your balance in your GoMining virtual wallet. So you can click on that, you can buy tokens from here, or you can even deposit more. The middle here is you. So if you click on that, it shows me, Astro, I'm in the Pro League. It shows my current balance in both Bitcoin and in GMT. If I want, I can withdraw it from here. I click on that, it'll bring me to a different home screen. Same thing with your GMT. If you click on that, it'll bring you to a different screen to where you can top it up. You can click on my account, it'll bring you to a different screen. You can change your clan from here, you can switch to solo mining from here. I'm gonna go back to game. And then in the top right corner, this is gonna be your terahash per second. You can click on this, it'll show all your miners. And from here, you can buy a miner, you can go to your bonus miner, and you can even upgrade any of your individual miners. You just click on it, and it will bring you to a different screen, like always, so we'll click back. And now the next one is gonna be this little round. So in here, it just says the round. You can click on it, but we're not gonna do that at the moment. First thing, this is the number of blocks that we are currently on, 886,209. This is the current duration that the block has been mining for, 16 minutes and 25 seconds. Now we will click on this. At the moment, there are 253 clans on GoMining trying to mine this block, and the very top clan is going to be the one who's been mining the most terahash per second, all the way down to the very bottom clan. There's a lot of pages, so I'm not going to go down there. And then if you click on players, there are currently 38,124 players within MinerWars, and this is the top player. So because he is boosting, he is at the very top right now. Usually Main Monkey is the one at the top because he has the most terahash in like the entire game. This little thing right here is your multiplier for the round. So if you want to click on that, the multiplier shows the number of blocks in the current round. The bigger it is, the more rewards the winner gets. As you can see, there's a 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x, 32x, 64x, 120x, and 256x. You will maybe see this or this once a week, maybe. And down here we have my clan. This number here is going to be the terahash that everyone in your clan has currently mined together over the duration of 19 minutes and 13 seconds. This number right here shows our terahash share for the current round. So by using 5.5 million terahash as a total score, we currently have 0.24% of the total terahash score for the current round. We will click on my clan, and as you can see, we have a total of 4,759.54 terahash a second. We have 39 members. We have currently mined 8 blocks, and we have a total of 0.01864,582 Bitcoin mined, as well as 1,684.36 GMT as personal rewards. You can scroll down, and you can see everyone in your clan. You can scroll through the pages. I can look at the requests because I am the owner, and these numbers right here are the statistics for the last cycle, as it says. So if you click on this, so our power share, the clan share of total game power was 0.14792%. Not bad. A higher share means better odds for the clan to win overall, even if members aren't always active. That means if they aren't always boosting, or if they aren't always clicking the service button to maintain a 3% discount. Our score share, the clan's total score shared within the game. It reflects how actively and efficiently clan members build up points and lead the clan to victory. Our score share was 0.118866. It's kind of cool how those numbers worked out. And our block share, the share of blocks won by the clan, the closer it is to the score share or even exceeds it, the luckier the clan. So our block share was 0.046318%, just under half of the score share. So our luck was a little bit down. And now we have the big number in the center, which is our total score that we have gotten ourselves. So if you take our total terahash a second and multiply that by the amount of seconds that have gone by in the current round, you will get this number. And the one underneath that is your terahash slash score share for the current round. Because I only have 121 terahash a second, out of all the terahash within MinerWars, I have 0.006% of it. That's not much, but that is still better than 0 flat. And now you have the little history bar. You can click on this. A brand new cycle has just started, so there's only one page. In here, you can see the history of the blocks won. You can see which clan has won them and the person that won it for that clan. You can click on it, and you can see the history of that current block. You can see the duration of it, the multiplier round it was, when it ended, the number of block it was, and you can see the share of each clan that participated in that current block. Wagme is at the top because they have the most, so they were at 29%, but a clan with only 1.7% won the block. And then you go to the winners. The person who had the most terahash share of that round was in WAGMI clan, but as you can see, the winner of the clan was an exclusive, and you can see the percentage share here was quite different, but it's all about luck. It's all random. And then another good thing about the history tab here, you can go in this little filters tab, and you can filter through different multiplier rounds. You can also go back to see the previous cycle, and one thing we're going to do is we're just going to remove these, click apply, and you can see that last cycle there was a 256x multiplier round, and this person in WAGMI clan ended up winning it, and they won themselves 86.7 thousand GMT. That's only just, you know, a few tens of thousands of dollars. But back to the homepage. Here you have the little chat button, so you can click here and you can chat with your clan. At the bottom, this is your service button. So as you can see, in 5 hours, 36 minutes, and 30 seconds, I'm gonna have to click my service button to maintain that discount. And down here, you have your boosts. For one GoMining token, you can add 1,500 terahash a second for the current round to your scoreboard, which obviously will add up to the clan scoreboard as well. Or for 9 GMT tokens, you can add 15,000 terahash a second for the current round. Or for one GoMining token, you can just instantly add 500,000 terahash to your current score. That's usually best to do at the very beginning of a round. And this one, well, it's been saying coming soon for a few months now, so I really don't know when it's going to be coming. And finally, down here, you have your promos button. So this can bring you to your bonus miner task, your Go Miners contest, your bounty program, your referral program, and your liquidity bonuses. And now you have your leaderboards. Click on here. This will show the current cycle, but you can also go back to previous cycles, all the way back to cycle 1, and right under where it says the current cycle, you can see how many blocks have been currently mined so far. Only 7. It is still calculating the reward in the Bitcoin fund, so this number has not been produced yet, but as you can see, last fund there was 4.8 Bitcoin rewarded, and previous to that 5.3 Bitcoin rewarded, previous to that 5.4 Bitcoin rewarded, and now that I just realized it, this bar is not filled in yet, so it probably also will be about 5.3 Bitcoin rewarded. But you can go down and you can see the current clans. High Dive at the moment for this cycle, they've won the most blocks with 2, and they have about 5,339.24 terahash a second. And you can go down and see all the clan statistics. You can also see the top players, which is the people who have won the top blocks. Right now, he has won a 2x block in High Dive. He has won a 2x block in Flight. He has won a 1x block in GTech, and he has won a 1x block in WAGMI, and he has won a 1x block in Exclusive. And then down here you have your rewards button. Click on that, and this will show you your personal rewards in Bitcoin and in GoMining. So these are the blocks that your clan has won together. As you can see, because it says clan, you can scroll down, click on the block. This one is not fully loaded yet, so we're not going to click on it because it doesn't show the Bitcoin reward. We're going to scroll down to the previous one. I'm going to click on that, and it will also show you the same information of the previous history tabs of that block. So you can see this is the one that Dominic won, and now you can go into the personal tabs. These show the rewards for when you personally win the block for your clan. So as you can see, on February 14th, I won a 2x block for us. On the 5th, I won a 1x block. On the 31st, I won another 1x block, and it even shows the GMT amount and the block that you won yourself. And as an owner of the clan, when someone wins a block, you get 5% of the GMT from that. So when Dominic won the 2x block, I got 36 GMT from that. When I won the 2x block, I also got 37 GMT from that. I also won this block, and I got 16 GMT from it. Someone else won a 1x block, I got 16 GMT from that. And what I'm doing from the winnings with these 5% is I'm going to be purchasing miners and doing giveaways within my clan in the Discord. So make sure to join that if you haven't already, and make sure to join our clan if you want to participate in the giveaways. And just like that, you have a total overview of everything on the MinerWars homepage. And if you haven't already signed up, you can use my referral link in the description below, and you can start mining Bitcoin today. And you can feel free to join our clan and possibly even win yourself some personal rewards as well to build up that GMT wallet balance. Because as you can see, I've won about $835 so far in GMT. If I was doing solo mining, I would not have this extra $835 in GMT. I'll tell you that much. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. And make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and have a good day.